Hello, random people. Right, we're going to the fridge. Let's go to the fridge. Oh, actually, hang on. Hang on. Right, this might be a bit weird because it's my sister's bedroom. But look out the window. There's snow. Oh, no, yeah. Look, random. Actually, made a snowman over there yesterday. Probably gone. You see that? There's two random people making what looks like two balls. Yeah. Should probably get out of here. My sister will probably kill me. Let's go. My room. Right, to the fridge. Let's go to the fridge. Where's the fridge? The fridge is here in the corner. Whoa, fridge. Oh my god. Whoa.